Hello, welcome to the Bass Lick in Every Key series. In this series we are taking one lick or one part groove and running it through all 12 keys. It's a great way to truly master it, building your technique, improving your ear and getting comfortable all over the fretboard. So let's get started. Minor chord lick number 3. You can find the full version along with an explanation on my Patreon. Come, be a part of it. I would love to share more with you. Okay, now is your turn. You can improvise, you can add new notes, new licks. Just enjoy it. See you soon in next video.